Hey guys, hey my people, welcome back to my channel. It's me Area Simon with another video, and today we woke up on a sad note. In my village, in my home district, we received a thunderstorm yesterday evening, and most people lost their plantation, their houses, property in general. So we shall move around and check it out. Please leaders, come and run for these people. They need your help at this time. It's very terrible. People are suffering, people are up and down. Plantations, banana plantations, cassava houses. Let's go and check it out. So if you're new to my channel, please guys kindly subscribe, and my next video will be a boom, guys. Tomorrow, no, on Tuesday early morning, I'll be in Kampala. Guess to do what? You check it out. If you're new to my channel, please kindly subscribe, don't miss it out. There's another big thing coming. We didn't expect this. So tag Odemaya, share this video to Odemaya to see my next video. My next video is a boom. Let me give you a hint. It is for uniting Africa. It's for uniting Africa. I'll do what it takes. I will play my part. So let's watch this out. Please guys, share, comment. We can do it. Let's move. Different colors, one people, different colors, one people. So guys, we are moving. We are going to see plantation, we are going to see houses. Please tag our leaders, people who can help. It is in Mubanda. This is in Mubanda. Generally it is Rivers district, but this side is in Mbanda C, then Mbanda B, Mbanda. The whole parish of Mubanda got this problem. So let's go and check it out. So guys, now look at this plantation. It almost went down. So guys, as usual, we are on our bicycle. We are heading to the garden. We are checking, we are showing you some of the shots. It's indeed very beautiful, very bad. Oh, sorry. We are moving in the plantation. Let me walk. It's not easy now. Yeah, that's honest. What's that? Sorry. Is testing the feeding. So let's go and check. We had that some of the iron sheets of the house we saw up there. They are down here. So guys, if you can contribute, come. See our chairman, our leaders, then do the needful. So this is ours. We also got some simple losses, but compared to others, it was indeed very bad. Very, very bad. So it will take people like around 3 months before to restore that food. So those are the iron sheets that were destroyed by. They are from the side up the video you saw. Let's switch there and you see them clearly. This is someone's roof. Oh my god, look at this. How do you describe this one? This is immoderable. This is so bad. This is someone's roof from the side up. Yeah. Somewhere there up, it came all the way up to here. So guys, it's really very bad. leaders come on and help these people. These are the people who don't earn daily, they earn monthly. Sometimes when they get such problems, they need people to hurry and help them out because life gonna be hard. Different colors, one people. Different colors, one people. Different. Oh, so guys, as I'm winding up today's video, guys, there's the next big thing that will see me rising from 34 subscribers to 1,000 subscribers within 1 month. Watch it out. How? When you subscribe. That's how it happened, but still keep it in mind. There is the next big thing coming your way. You won't expect this. No one would expect this, but Hodemaya will like it. The studio will like it. Repeaters will like it. All those good YouTubers will like it, especially YouTubers who are in for promoting Africa. Guys, subscribe to watch my next video. It will be in Kampala, somewhere on Ginger Road. He will like it. So guys, kindly subscribe. Let's meet my next video. Peace out. Bye bye.